Okay, for my code, the first line is going to set the variable time. It's going to ask what is the time now in hours and then start a new line. So then in the next line, the user will be able to input what the time is now in hours. And then the second line is going to set the variable hours to wait. It's going to ask how many hours would you like to wait for the alarm to go off. And then in the next line, the user will be able to input how many hours that is. And then finally, the last line prints. It's going to start off with the alarm will go off when the time is, and it's going to set the answer. And then for this part, this calculates the current time added with the hours to wait, and then modulus 24 to get the output of when the alarm will go off. So then when I compile this, it's going to ask when the time is now, what the time is now in hours. And then using the example from the PDF, let's say I put 13, and then I would like to wait 50 hours. So then it will output the alarm will go off when the time is 15.